You want to get more sales on your affiliate offers? Well, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can increase your sales using ClickBank, JVZoo, whatever affiliate program you're using with this simple hack. If you want to hear more about this, stay with me throughout this video. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how to get more sales from your ClickBank affiliate offers with this very simple hack. All right, but before we get any further, let me introduce myself to those that don't know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about making money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle to get some freedom in your life. Now, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that little notification bell. Give me a like. Let me know if you like this video or not. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any comments or questions about this particular video, post the questions down below and I will be happy to answer them. Now, guys, if you're looking for a more passive income, one that can make you $100 to $300 on autopilot every single day, click the link down below, my #1 recommended make money online method, and click that link and I'll send you over some information. All right, now let's get on with today's video. I don't want to waste anybody's time. I want to go straight to the meat of this video. I want to go straight to the gold. All right, so I'm going to be talking about ClickBank and JVZoo. Now, one thing I would like you guys to do, if you don't already have a ClickBank account, go create a ClickBank account. Create a JVZoo account. Create an account with Warrior Plus. Because if you want to become an affiliate marketer, you want to have a broad range of products that you can promote. All right? And you want to be able to promote as many products as possible and ones that you actually like. All right? So that gives you a big platform to actually find things. Now, ClickBank is your easiest because you don't need to be approved to promote any products. JVZoo and Warrior Plus, you need to go through an approval process, which can take a little bit of time, especially if you're a newbie. All right, so let's go over here. We'll start with ClickBank and ClickBank Marketplace. So once you log in with, get your account, log in and go to Marketplace, and you'll see all these categories. There's many niches in here. Where we're going to go is we're going to go to e-business and marketing. There's tons of different sub niches within that. We're going to go just right on top of e-business and marketing. We're going to search by gravity, which is gravity is the number. It ranks all these things as which products are getting the most sales. All right, so this product must be killing it right now. It's a cheap one. You're only going to get $13.19 per sale, but it's got several upsells. So I think you could actually make some decent money with this. So we're going to check this out. All right, we're just going to go straight for the first one just because this is something that I want to do on the fly, and I'm just not going to waste any time here. We're just doing this. All right, so what we want to do is we want to come to these products, right? We want to check them out. We want to check out, see if they have a decent JV page. We want to make sure they have a decent product, right? So we go through here, and if it's a product that we think is pretty cool, then you know what? This looks pretty cool. I want to promote this product, all right? So we're going to go over to the JV page and see what kind of stuff they give you. A lot of these pages are going to ask you to sign up as an affiliate so you can get, they'll send you an email with a list of stuff that you can use to promote their products, all right? Because like this one here, they're having a contest for promoting this. They give you email swipes, all right? So they're giving you email swipes to use. They're giving you all this stuff so you can use to promote this product, all right? And guys, you get all this stuff, use it, all right? Use all this stuff because this is what's going to make you money. But the simple hack that nobody's telling you about, wait till you see that. Stay with me till the end of here because you're about to see something magical that nobody uses. And for some reason, this is what the super affiliates do to get sales. All right. So we're going to run over here to JVZoo. All right. This is one product that I am promoting. It's called Local Vid Pro. You go over to Local Vid Pro. This is the page here. All right. So what you would do, you come in here. You're just checking out the product to see if you like it. Okay. So one thing I do is create a bonus page for your products. All right. So create a bonus page. So what you're doing, you're going to create an opt-in page. All right. That opt-in page is going to go to your bonus page. You're going to give more bonuses than anybody else. All right. So what happens is with these products, you'll get the vendor will give you a lot of times in the JV page will give you a list of bonuses. Sometimes they'll give you 1 to 10 bonuses. All right. So you everybody has them same bonuses. All right. So we're going to give those 10 bonuses plus we're going to give our unique bonuses. So we're going to send people from the opt-in page to the bonus page. All right. So this is going to show you. Well, we're still going to have a video or whatever, right? We're going to do opt-in page, bridge page, bonus page, which takes them to the sales page. All right. I'm sorry, I left out the bridge page. Very important piece. All right. So after they see me, right? After they see my video, hey, thanks for opting into this uh, this tool that's going to rank your videos, right? Thanks for opting into my emails. You're going to get an email in a minute, but before you do, check out this awesome product called Local Vid Pro. I've been using it. It's killing it, and just run over and check it out. All right. So, and if you log in with and you would just tell them, right, you're going to get some special exclusive bonuses by using my link that nobody else is giving out. All right. So then they come into this page, right? This is just a simple page, right? Zeb's Insane Bonus Bundle, Local Vid Pro. I just took this image right from their site. You can put links all through here, right? So this is the first link, right? So when this is live, this will say this bonus expires in 5 minutes or whatever it is. Click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So what is you go through and tell them real quick what the product's about, right? And this shows you what the upsells are. So you're all up front with them, right? So they know what products that they may get. Let's check this out. All right, this is all the upsells. So as soon as they get logged in, they spend $37, but then they're going to get upsell for 47, 67. Then they're going to get a downsell, then an upsell, and another upsell, right? So most people run through here and get up a lot of these upsells. So you just keep strolling through here, and they know they can click right here and get your bonuses. But at the bottom here, it's going to show you can get all the bonuses below now, in addition to whatever the bonuses to the other company is, right? So they get this bonus. This is an exclusive bonus, and you just tell them, I'm gonna show you how to rank your YouTube videos in 2018. I'm gonna show you all this stuff, right? So you're gonna go through here, and you're gonna show them how to do stuff. All right. So that's how you make more sales, and you give them an offer that's better than everybody else's. Because what people do is they go through everybody's links and they look for them offers that give you free stuff. They want somebody that gives them a lot of stuff. So be that person. All right. That's the secret hack here that nobody really talks about in any of their sales funnels. They'll say opt-in page, bridge page, sales page, right? That is the typical thing here. But what we're talking about is opt-in page, bridge page, bonus page, which takes them to the sales page. So they get extra bonuses when they buy something from your link. All right. Do you see the magic in this? Do you see how powerful this is when somebody logs in and they can actually see your bonus page where you're offering way more bonuses than anybody else to get that sale. All right. It's all about getting that sale to make that affiliate money. And you can do this over and over again, rinse and repeat. And maybe I'll go in more detail of how to make a bonus page on one of my future videos here. But for this video, I just wanted to throw that out here because I keep showing people how to make a sales funnel, but I'm leaving out that bonus page. And that's a very important piece, and it's a very simple hack that will get you more sales on your ClickBank products, JVZoo, whatever you're promoting. It will work. All right. Again, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Let me know some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like to see in the future. And if you want a more passive income, one that I use, one that can make you some serious money, click the link down below. My number one recommended make money online method. Just click that link and I'll send you some more information. All right, guys. Peace out and have a great day.